Today topic is the Metakings. Guys, this token is almost on the trending on the CoinGecko market cap. Also, this token is performing very well within the last 24 hours. Guys, the price action of this token is almost on the 5% down, and its 24-hour trading volume is on the CoinGecko market website is $1,54,000, and it's almost down 5.4% in the last 24 hours. Guys, it has circulating supply of 0 MTK coins, and the total supply is about 1 billion. If you are looking to buy and sell this, here is the video how you can buy this Metaking tokens on the trust wallet account. Guys, when you check the website of this token, guys, this is the Metakings is an A1 powered fighting universe in which the anyone can earn rewards such as token and the NFTs through the component gameplay and the contribution to the ecosystems. Players can engage in their combat, gather and resources, and they develop their characters and establish their own land based the kingdoms. So guys, let's start how you can buy this token. Guys, first of all, you have to open the CoinGecko website. For there you have to search the Metakings on the search bar, then this will appears. Guys, here then click on this button here. You see here, from where you can copy the contact address, show info, click, and then copy that contact address from there. When you have to open the trust wallet, here this interface will appear. Here you have to open the dApps button, then click on the Pancakeswap.finance website. If you open the Pancakeswap.finance website, here you have to select the amount of the BNB that you want to spend here. First, then select here which coin you want to buy. I want to buy the Metakings. Then paste the contact address which you have to copy it from the CoinGecko website. Here the MTK appears here. Then click on the import button. Then click on the I understand and import here. Here these tokens will appear there, and you have to buy with this small amount of the BNB with these tokens. Click on the swap button, then confirm swap. I will show you here how much processing fees will be executed here. So you see here the network fees of this token is a 0.63, and the maximum total will be spending here 0.95. It's guys nothing. And I hope you guys understand. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing any single penny on any tokens. So here is the video. I will show you how you can buy the token easily using the Pancakeswap. In the similar that way, you can easily buy that token on the MetaMask also.